Here we have a binomial to the power of 2. Okay, so we're squaring this binomial. So that means we're multiplying that binomial times itself. Okay, so you rewrite that binomial twice. And then every single term in the first binomial multiplies every term in the second binomial. So we're going to start with the negative 7c. It's going to multiply everything. So the negative 7c multiplies this negative 7c, giving us positive 49c squared. Then the negative 7c multiplies the 10d, giving us negative 70cd, right? This is the first, and the red line is for the outers. And then we're going to do the inners, right? The 10d multiplies the negative 7c, giving us negative 70cd again. All right, and we're going to add these like terms later on. Then the 10d is going to multiply this 10d, giving us 100d squared, okay? So first, outer, inner, last, and that's FOIL, right? That's why we call this operation FOIL. All right, we're going to add these two like terms here, and that will give us negative 140cd. So our final answer is 49c to the power of 2, take away 140cd plus 100d squared. All right, now notice that that's not the same as just squaring the first term and squaring the last term. Okay, so when you're multiplying binomials like that, or when you're doing a binomial to the power of 2, you have to write each one out, and then every single term multiplies every other term, okay? Now notice when we do that, we end up with this unexpected middle term. Okay, if you just square the negative 7c, you get 49c squared, and just square the 10d, you'd get 100d squared, but you'd be missing this middle term. Okay, and that's why you can't square if you have addition or subtraction, okay, inside your binomial, or inside your brackets. If you just had a monomial, if there was no addition and subtraction, then square everything, right? All right, and that's how you do a question involving binomials to the power of 2. Have a good day.